Want to know how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the TikTok app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here an icon will appear. Tap on the settings and privacy option at the last. Furthermore, scroll down to the support and about section and tap on the report a problem option. Similarly, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the chat with us option. Now type report a problem in the message box and send the message. Likewise, a message will appear from the help desk. Now tap on the submit a ticket option. Here, elaborate the problem you want to report and tap on the submit option. Hence, your TikTok problem will be solved within a few days by the TikTok Help Center. So this is how you can fix CapCut template not showing in TikTok. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.